In 1 minute, I'll show you how to copy Google Photos to a pen drive. Open photos.google.com in your browser and sign into your account. Click the first photo, hold Shift, then click the last photo to select Arrange. Or use the checkmark on each thumbnail to pick individual photos and videos. Click the three-dot menu and choose Download to save a zip file to your Downloads folder. Confirm the zip saved to Downloads and note the file path. For example, see :users/yourname/downloads. Plug your pen drive into a USB port until your computer recognizes it. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and locate the pen drive drive letter or name. Go to Downloads, right-click the zip and choose Extract All or Unzip to a folder. Select the extracted photos, right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Open the pen drive window, right-click and paste, or press Ctrl-V or Command-V to transfer the files. When the transfer completes, safely eject the pen drive, remove it, and you're done.